Hello crafty besties, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I have unboxing of my washi tapes that came in today. So this is a new company and it's called that, well, not new, but new to me. It's the Ieebee. It's a company who sells washi tapes, stickers, journaling stuff, things like that. And so they reached out to me and sent a set of washi tapes. It comes in a little cute box like this. It's a set of 23 washi tapes, and it's a cute little box. This one's called Enchanted Wonderland. If you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link that in the description box. It's really cute. It comes with this little washi tape inspiration book, and I'll go ahead and leave all their links, their handles for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And so I just wanted to show you guys before I'm going to start using these in my book journal. So it does come, it opens up like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has these little cords here. And it comes with the little sheet of what the washi tapes look when you unwrap them. So here's this green set, the blue pink set, more of a black blue. And then here's another big washi tape roll here. It's got dragons. And then here's this like a fairy fantasy one. So I haven't opened these, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up with you. I can get them out of the packaging here. Here's this first roll. They come really tight in here. They're all wrapped up in cellophane. And so here's some cute ones. It's got some stars, feathers, moon. This one has some, looks like the same thing, kind of sort of the same thing, but with like in different colors. Here's like potion bottles and apothecary jars, and just looks like jars of like different, let me see if I can open these up, and they're so cool. These, I think this is like more of a marble. I do apologize for the lighting. It's later in the evening and I've been running around with my kids, and so my son wanted something from Chipotle, so I had to go do a run, and it's just later in the evening. But here's this nice one. It's kind of got like a marble look. And then here's this other one with the jars as well. This one's got bigger jars, really cute. And this one's clear. So I'm just gonna put these back in no particular order. Because I don't think I can remember how they came in, the order that they came in. So I will be using this on my journal here, my book journal, since it kind of goes with the theme that I'm going with. As you guys know, my book journal is like a fantasy theme. If you guys are familiar with the ACOTAR series, A Court of Thorns and Roses. I can't even, it's kind of hard to get with my nails here, but this is a really, really pretty one. I don't have any that's this big, but look how beautiful that is. I love the castle. Kind of reminds me of, what's it called? Sleeping Beauty, with the castle, although she kind of looks like her, but without the wings. And it's got gems and flames and roses. So pretty. I absolutely love this one. Then we have this one that has bows and stars and trees. And then here's another marble pink one. And then this one is also got like the castle theme. Let's see if I can pull it out here. But it's got castles and butterflies and books. I just love that. It's just like very enchanted, beautiful. So I will hopefully use those. Okay, and I'm not sure, I think that goes like that. Put those back in there. Here's the third roll. These are more like purple tones. I like this because it's a good reference to go back. I can't remember, you know, there's a particular look that you're going for. You can go back and check it out on the reference. This one has a cat with the hat, gems. This one has a pretty, looks like a fairy with butterfly wings. This one's more like, it's got some flowers, sunflowers, and then here's another marble in the purple. And then I just love these wide ones. They're absolutely gorgeous. It's just so bad that I can never, and I don't have my pick close by. Oh, and there I lost it. I do apologize, guys. Bear with me here on this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's this one, and this one has like a wand. Oops, I ripped it. But it has a wand, it has a jar, crystals. Really pretty. I'll have to fix that one. But yeah, so that's really pretty, really cool. I love the colors. And then this cute cat one, and then this one. It's really cute. And so the last roll that I got is this green one. And it was like a blue. This is more of like an emerald green with some trees. Oh, and it has a dragon. That is so cool. I think this one's got to be my favorite one. And it's got like, gotta be careful when I unravel it. I think I was a little rough with the last one. It's because I get so excited. And I did it again. I am not good at this, guys. I am not patient. Next time I need to get my pick. There we go. Look how beautiful that looks. And that dragon. I absolutely love that dragon. Look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. I love it. I can't wait to use this in my journal. Here's that one. And then the green marble. I don't think I need to open that one. And then this one's got leaves and gems and crystals and stars. That's really pretty. And then this one, it's got an open book, some leaves and some potion bottles and gems. Kind of almost the same like style. It's got eucalyptus leaves. Really pretty. So I got this box of washi tapes that I was happy to share with you all. If you guys are interested, in the description box, I will leave a link. It's a referral link, so anything that you guys buy, you guys will get a 10% off. And I will leave that in the description. Just click the link and it will lead you straight to their shop. Or if you want and just check out and look and say maybe there's, you know, something that you're specifically wanting. They also have these guys. They also sent me this little envelope with these goodies. And these are kind of like, I want to say like transparencies, like acetate pieces. I'm not sure. I don't think these are stickers, but you can use them in journals, for scrapbooking, for journaling, anything that you want. Yeah, it's completely clear and you can just, you know, just embellish. They sent me all these cool little pieces here for me to use. I will definitely be using this in my journal, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, they have all kinds of cool different designs, really pretty. Thank you, Ieebee, for sending me these products. I can't wait to use them all. I just wanted to share them with you. So again, if you guys want to check them out, you can click on in my description under check out their referral link for a 10% off. Or if you'd like also, there is a coupon code. So if you're on there and, you know, see one thing that you want or whatever, you can also use my coupon code, and that is on your screen to the left, and it is the Paper Pineapple 30, which will give you a 30% off. So you can either use a coupon code for 30% off, or you can hit that referral link and that will give you 10% off. So I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather use a coupon code to get 30% off. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and hopefully you guys will go and check out Ieebee and all their wonderful washies and wonderful products that they offer. So let me know if there's anything that you love from this collection. Again, I will put it in the description. It is called the Enchanted Wonderland. So there are a set of 23 rolls. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll check you guys out. I'll be seeing you guys hopefully in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.